Hello all, welcome to Learn with Techies. In this video, I'll be talking about 3 amazing AI tools that no one is talking about and that can help you to increase your productivity 3 times. The first one I will be covering is tome.ai. With tome.ai, you can create a full PPT from just a text, and the quality of PPT is also very good. The best thing about Tome is the time that it saves for me because I don't have to research the images separately, the text separately, and it makes things so much easier for me. This is the Tome web app. I can go ahead and sign in or log in. So this is the website. I can go ahead and create one. So you can here create either a presentation or an outline or a story. And here the images could be auto, or if you want, watercolor. So let me create a presentation about global warming. Within few seconds it's all ready. It has given its own title, which is pretty cool. This is the summary tab and these are the presentation. If you see, the images are all water paint because that's what I asked for. You can see that the quality is so good, and it's within few seconds that I was able to create it. You can go back and share it also, and you guys should check it out because it's pretty amazing. The next one I want to cover is background.lol. So technically background.lol or background.lol belongs to Futurepedia, which is the largest AI tool directly. You should check this out as it has pretty cool AI tools. So here I can go ahead and search for background.lol. This is the app. I can just go ahead. It's completely free. You don't have to do any sign up. Just click on this and you are here. So let me try cat in a space suit in space. We just have to submit it. So it's all done. You can get a physical print or get a 4K version. And if you can see it, it's pretty good. You can get any kind of images you want. You can also choose something from here. I can get a 4K version also to my email. The third one that I wanted to talk about is Compose AI. So for those who have watched my previous videos, I have already discussed 3 of the top AI writing tools. For others, I will be adding the link in my description below for references. So your question could be, what is the difference between those AI writing tools and Compose AI? So Compose AI is a browser extension. So it can be used on multiple websites, whether it's Slack messages or Google Drive or your Gmail. Its AI keep on learning your learning style and keep on improving itself to match your style. So for this, you have to just go ahead and download this extension. Once downloaded, you can see this here in your browser. In each of your browsers, you can find this extension and you can just start using it. So for using it, you can go in here, any Google Drive. You just have to type this /. As soon as you type it, it will give you what you want. Write an outline. I can write an outline for a moon. It can write the outline. The cool thing about is how it can be used in emails. So I can go ahead and I can write here. I can tell a client to use our product instead of a competitor. Let's try it. Check it out what it's writing. If you see, it has provided me such a good template. In the same way, I can go in my Slack and type something. Here I can write to tell everyone I will be oof, and let's check this out. It's pretty simple, but it's doing that job. So you can see how useful it is for your mundane tasks as well as for any blogs or articles that you want to write. Right now, it's supported on many different browsers and Google Docs. And it also has a link how you can add support to other websites also. Thanks for watching the video. Do like the video and comment below which is the website that you like the most and how you will be using that. If you like this video, then do check out my other videos on cool AI website that can help you to convert your text to video, text to images, and so on. I'll be posting those links in the description below. Thank you and see you again in the next session of What's New in Tech.